Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this tutorial on how to remove a video background using CapCut. And the first step on how to achieve that is to head over to your Play Store and download the CapCut app. Once installed, open the app to begin the process. In the app's home screen, tap on the plus icon to import the photo that will be your background. And after that, you tap on overlay and add the video where you want to change the background. Tap on cut out and then remove background and wait for the process to complete. And as you can see, the background of this video has been successfully removed, and you can zoom in and out however you want. And we can now play a video without the original background. Just look at how it is, and then you can export it into your gallery and use it for whatever purpose you wish. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.